What's going on, guys? This is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson in North County, Indian. We're right here in San Marcos, California, and today's bike of the day is a 2011 Street Glide. It's got a lot of customizations on this vivid black bike with the 103 cubic inch. 6-speed transmission. Let's start with the bars, the mirrors, the grips, a ton of other things, additional storage up top here. You also have docking hardware set up. This model has 25,888 miles on it. Let's hear how she sounds. It's equipped with cruise control and ABS. She's got some screaming Vance and Hines on her. She's ready to roll when you are. 6 days a week, open for test rides. Please give us a call if you're interested in the bike. You have a good one.